Oh no, crypto prices are crashing and they've been crashing for the past few days. What is going on? Stay tuned to find out. So these are not very nice times for the crypto markets as everything has crashed and everything is declining and has been doing so for the past few days. On my screen, this is coin market cap, and here you can see the current prices, and you can see that in the past 7 days, for example, for Bitcoin, it's down 13%, Ethereum down 24%, Tether down 1.5, BNB down 21%, and most of the cryptocurrencies here, as you can see, are all in the red zones. But the question is, why is this happening and what is going on? So here I've found a few interesting articles that I will leave the link for down in the description below that will tell you what is going on and give you a little more insight and some more information. Crypto crash erases more than $1 trillion in market value. So there has been a big decline when it comes to the markets of all cryptocurrency coins. It was not just a decline in the major coins, but it is a decline in all of the crypto coins, even altcoins, and not just the major ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Here is an interesting paragraph that is quite important, and this is going to determine the future of cryptocurrencies in the coming days as well. The Biden administration is preparing to release an initial government-wide strategy for digital assets as soon as next month and task federal agencies with assessing the risks and opportunities that they pose according to people familiar with the matter. So here this will make a big impact on what the future of cryptocurrencies will be as well. Another article here will explain why Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptos crashed on Friday. So here we can see a bit of information on that as well. And this does also boil down to Russia banning the cryptocurrencies and saying that Russia will ban crypto and crypto mining as well. So what triggered the crash? The main cause behind the latest rout is believed to be the proposal by the Russian central bank to ban cryptocurrency. The Central Bank of Russia yesterday stated it was proposing to the government that all use and mining of cryptocurrencies on Russian territory be banned. This move would be taken due to the risks that cryptocurrency poses to financial stability, the sovereignty of monetary policy, as well as the financial safety of its citizens, said the bank. The legal status of cryptocurrency has shifted quite a bit in the country in the past. While Russia has been resistant to cryptocurrency for years, citing threats of terror financing, it had still granted cryptocurrencies legal status in 2020. However, the use of the tokens as payments was banned. So this is one of the biggest reasons as well why we are seeing all of the red in the cryptocurrency markets at the moment. But I really wanted to make this video just to get your opinion on this. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think that cryptocurrencies will continue to decline, or do you think that they will actually bounce back? Let me know and let the whole community know down below in the comment section. My opinion on this is that I do think that the cryptocurrencies will bounce back. However, this is no financial advice, like I always like to say, and it is very dependent as well on what's going to happen in the next few days, especially with the Biden administration, and if Russia will actually be able to effectively ban cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency mining. My opinion is that I don't think that they will be able to do this like, for example, China did. I think that China do have more control over the people and over what can be banned and not banned. So I don't think it's going to be that effective in Russia, but you never really know. So this could be also a lot of FUD really coming out on media and actually driving the prices down so that other potential investors could get in at lower positions and then drive the price up again. Again, this is not any financial advice, so I'm not telling you to buy the dip at the moment, or on the contrary, sell off your coins because it might go even lower. So I'm not giving you any financial advice, so do your own due diligence and check things for yourself as well. However, my opinion is that I think that these cryptocurrencies will bounce back again. When is still to be determined, and by how much is still to be determined as well. I don't have a crystal ball. If I did, I mean, I would be a multi-millionaire as well, as we would all like to become, most probably. But let me know your opinion down below and let everyone else know as well. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.